Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One and this is another garden update video. Alright you guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being part of the fam. So you guys, let's get into this video. These are the seeds that I started indoors, and it consists of cucumber, tomatoes, habanero peppers, eggplant, beans, and sugar baby watermelon. Hopefully I'm not missing anything else. Moving on to the mint, and you guys, the mint is growing back. I'm so happy. Now you guys, don't mind the container, it cracked and broke up, so it is what it is. I guess I couldn't handle the cold weather. Alright you guys, moving on to the potatoes and cabbage that is in this container. Now forgive me if I sound unsure of what I planted in my own garden. It's because I've been so busy you guys, but if it's a cabbage and I say cauliflower, I will call it a cabbage again. I'm sorry you guys, I'm just so tired and been so busy. Right now I am running on coffee with little to no sleep. Now moving on to the container that has squash, sugar baby watermelon, and dill. Now I'm growing two types of squash, the zucchini and the yellow neck squash. Now I'm so tired. Is it yellow neck or yellow hook? I think it's a neck. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, up next is the container that I planted the eggplant in, and the dill is from last year, so it must have dropped seeds in its container, so it's going to be, I guess, dill and eggplant. Moving on to the container that has the beans in it, and as you can see, the beans are doing very well compared to what I actually planted indoors. So in this container, it is the beets, which you know I am excited about, and if I'm not mistaken, carrots and spring onions. Now this is my first time growing beets, so hopefully I have success. Up next is the radishes, and like I said in my companion video, that I am going to grow the radishes first and grow something else inside. Moving on to the tower, which is a pepper tower. I have habanero peppers and different types of peppers, spread it along with oregano and spinach. Alright, now let's get into my herb container, which consists of kale, Swiss chard, thyme, sage, and lettuce. As you can see, the kale is going to seed and flowering, so this is the kale from last year, so it don't look like I'm going to harvest it at all. But as you can see, there's some lettuce there, and the thyme is starting to appear. It's really small, but it's there. Now I went back to this kale flower because I think it's so gorgeous, you guys. I don't know. I don't know what it is about a yellow flower, but I like it yellow, okay? If you haven't noticed, my logo is my zucchini flower from last season, and it's yellow and it's gorgeous. I love it. But anyway, in these containers are tomatoes and basil, and another container is tomatoes and asparagus, and another crate is going to be corn and cucumber. Now this is the rosemary update, you guys, and if you have been following me, you would know that I have a hard time propagating rosemary from cuttings. So I bought the seeds and I'm starting from scratch. That's my jade plant I'm trying to regrow. And so yeah, this is the weekly rosemary update. And you guys, guess what I saw? A fungus gnat. If you have house plants, you already know these little pests. Look at that little gnat. It's not happening. So you know what I did? Pulled out the yellow sticky pads because I am not about to deal with this pest, okay? So yeah, but this is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, because I post consistently, so you won't miss me. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.